The extension clips are opened and closed by pressing on the ends like this. So the first thing to do before you put your extensions in is make sure that you brush them and make sure they've got no knots or tangles in them. Then make a clean parting like this at the bottom of your head and secure it with a clip. Then you need to take your extension, make sure it matches the size of your head, and open all the clips just by popping them at the ends. Then you need to dig down into the hair and press the ends to close. Once you've done that first step at the bottom of your head, you need to repeat it all the way up your head until you've filled up all of your head except from the very top.